What's good with y'all? I can tell by the title and thumbnail. Today just an exciting day, bro. I'm finna be going to one of the biggest car meets in Texas. This is my first ever car meet, so I don't know how this finna go. Like, and it's one of the biggest. What? We finna see how this go, you feel me? I'm so excited. Like, I've been waiting for this like all month, bro. Stop the cap. Like, as soon as I seen it on Instagram, I brought my ticket. If y'all don't know the event, I posted on my Instagram. It's called Mopar Heaven. I'm finna go put my drip on. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing to it. You know, I gotta pop my trim, man.
What do you mean by that?
This is my first ever car event. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, y'all. So this what I put on. This what I decided to go with. You know, this what we rocking with.
Really, nigga?
Y'all know some slight drip. You feel me? Nah, I'm playing with y'all. I'm really finna put it on for real. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, man.
What the fuck is you talking about? What the fuck was that?
Thank God I was able to wake up to this day, man. Like, I really woke up. Like, I woke up and I said, thank you, God. That's the first thing I said. I just said, thank you. Like, hey, I give all praise to him, bro. I'm finna go ahead and put this on, get trim, get fly, you know. Yeah, without it. Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, let's go ahead and do it, yeah.
What?
Alright, y'all. So, this is what I went with. This the fit.
I mean, it's alright.
Now we're finna get ready to head to the car meet and see what it's on, see what it's talking about. So let's go. Alright, y'all. So before I head there, I need to fit something on my speakers, cause my speakers tripping. They got them on their own. I gotta get y'all that cold start for the morning. It's not really cold outside, but it's the first crank of the car, so. I'm finna fix this thing. Then I gotta go to a convenience store. And I gotta give me some earrings. I can't just go in there with one earring, you feel me? So I'm finna go to a convenience store, go give me some earrings. Yeah, so let's do it. Alright, y'all, so I got me another earring. I put one in. Let me know if I need to change both of them, put the other one in. I'm gonna leave it like this, cause for real, cause I ain't like too much of a jewelry person like that for real, so.
We do not care.
Finna just rock it like this, I guess. We finna get ready to head there, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm there. And I made it. Cause I got a 47-minute drive, so we finna go ahead and get this out of the way, you feel me? Alright, y'all, so I done made it here, but hey, I ain't gonna lie, it's live out here. Like, as soon as I pulled up, it was the dude. He looking at my car, he was like, ooh, that be a night. Like, I had music going, lights on.
Cap.
He was looking like this, like, you feel me?
Shut the fuck up.
I'm finna get in here, walk in here real quick. See something about it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. It must big. Nigga don't even know where I'm supposed to be going right now. I'm really just walking. There's so many Hellcat track house shit. I'm on tough. They spending them breads on their cars. I ain't gonna lie. It's like taking a kid to a candy store.
Nigga, what?
That's how I feel right now. I need to make sure y'all hitting them like button and subscribers so we can get that Hellcat for real. Trying to get out there with the homie. Like, look at this bitch. It's an old school with a whole supercharging. It be right here live. This mother tough. He got the older model charger. I didn't even realize this was the older model charger with a wide body kit on it. That's tough. And they got an 06 Mag. I was trying to give me some SRT ACs, but I can't find none. They trying to like overprice me for them. Oh, we finna go look at some more stuff, see what else they got. So yeah, let's do it. I need to start playing around and get these videos out. We got no charge on it. I was thinking about going price for this year. Wait, we ain't do that. We just fixed my car back up. Boy. I need to stop playing around. Nah, this more alive. They really give me some ideas. They be going to full detail on that car. Everything be detailed, bro. Wait. I need to get right. I need to stop playing around. This is simple, but this kind of hard. Plain and simple, but with a wide body kit, it's tough. I don't know y'all can hear me that good, cause it's kind of windy and they got music and stuff playing. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can, but I ain't gonna lie. They spending money on it. Like, bro, look at this. Niggas is going in full detail on this stuff. Everything is detailed. I see a car like mine, you know, I gotta go see that boy just like mine. I kind of don't mess with like how the back is. Let me know what y'all think about it. I don't really mess with how the back is. Oh, I ain't even show y'all the front of it. I need to lock in and stop playing, man. That's all I can say. This made me want to post almost every day just looking at they whips. Bro, look at this. Full detail on everything, bro. I got me some like ideas I'm gonna do on my car now. Like I got some stuff I can do to my car. It's simple and easy. I don't know what they got going here, but we finna see what they got going. Alright, that's enough of that. I ain't really into all that. I'm just here to look at the Hellcat track house. That supercharged sounds so good, bro. All I know is I need to get my money on up. That's all I know. Alright, y'all, so I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I done really like stayed as long as I could. My feet really hurt and I'm here by myself, so it feel like weird and it feel like different. But bro, I ain't never seen this many Hellcat track house in my life, bro.